Namaskar to the viewers. I am Ananya Banerjee, a student of Shri Aurobindo College, University of Delhi, and a National Service Scheme volunteer. As we all know that we are celebrating the 6th International Yoga Day. So, my theme for the 6th International Yoga Day will be mental health and yoga. As we all know, the definition given by the World Health Organization of the health is that health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. But in today's generation, people are sidelining the issue of mental health and depression. The youth of this generation are suffering from anxiety and depression. Therefore, yoga can be the ultimate use by which we can decrease our anxiety and depression. So, let us take the view at the video which I have prepared themed mental health and yoga. And as we all know that yoga se hoga, so let us change a little bit and make it as yoga se depression kam hoga. Thank you.
The first asana is Anjaneya Asana. This pose is also known as the high lunge. Doing the crescent variation of this exercise is known to help improve your blood flow and calm down your mind. How to do it? While standing, lunge one leg forward, bend the front knee and stretch your back leg. Press your ankle flat against the ground on both ankles. Raise your arms to the sky and connect your palms. Breathe in deeply and breathe out in an even flow, and repeat it 5 times per leg. The second pose is Garud Asana. This pose is known commonly as the eagle pose. This pose requires you to breathe while holding your body in balance. It helps prevent anxiety attacks while improving your focus. How to do it? Breathe in deep, shift the weight of your body onto one leg, slowly wrap one leg around the other. Sink your hips and gently bend your knees. Keep your ankle flat on the ground. Keep your breathing even and slow. Wrap one arm around the other at the elbows and wrists. Pose 3 is Nataraj Asana. Commonly referred to as the dancer's pose, this asana is great for mood balancing. It can be beneficial for those who are fighting depression and anxiety. How to do it? With both legs planted on the ground, bend one knee back using your arm, grip the ankle. Slowly keeping a steady posture, lean forward and lift your ankle towards the sky. Extend your free hand in front of you. Take 5 deep and even breaths. Pose 4 is Vajra Asana. This is a meditative pose that is known to improve focus, calmness and digestion. How to do it? Slowly begin by sitting on your knees. Stretch your ankle outward. Bring your thighs and calves together. Then place your palms on your knees. Breathe in and out deeply for 30 seconds or a minute. Pose 5 is Virabhadra Asana. Commonly referred to as the warrior pose, there are numerous variations to this exercise, all of which require focus and steady breathing. We are covering the basic warrior pose. How to do it? While on 2 feet, spread your legs wide, turn your hips to one side. Turn your ankles to the side of your facing. Bend the front leg to a 90-degree angle. Stretch your arms to your sides and breathe in deeply and evenly for 10 seconds. Pose 6 is Padmasan. Another basic yoga pose, possibly the hardest one. This helps your digestion, spinal strength, and improves calmness of the mind and also your mood. It helps keep your anxiety and depression at bay. How to do it? While sitting cross-legged, gently lift one ankle above your opposite thigh. Place it as close to the hip as possible. Do the same with the another ankle but keep it below the leg. Place your palms on your knees, keep your back straight and breathe evenly for 30. Pose 7 is Vrikasana, commonly known as the tree pose. This asana is very basic and helps improve your sense of self and centers your body and mind. How to do it? While standing straight with ankles flat on the ground, lift one leg and place the ankle on the inner part of your opposite thigh. This will bend your knee outward. Balance and stretch your arms skywards and connect your palms. Pose 8 is Shavasana, known as the dead body pose. This asana is similar to lying down to take a nap. It is extremely easy to do, and it is advisable that after performing all the yoga poses, this pose will come at the last. How to do it? Lay flat on the ground, stretch your legs out, stretch your arms beside you and let your palms face skyward. Close your eyes, maintain even breathing while your focus wanders around you. Listen to the sounds and continue breathing for 5 minutes.